Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the language in Google Chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your Google account credentials. This will give you access to your chat interface and all the settings you need to customize your experience. After you've logged in and your chat dashboard appears, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Manage your Google account. This option will redirect you to your main Google account settings page where you can control everything from privacy to personalization. It's the central hub for all your Google services, so this is where you'll be able to make changes that affect Google Chat and other Google apps you use. Once your Google account settings page loads, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation menu with several options listed vertically. From this menu, click on Personal Info. This section contains all your basic account information, including details like your name, contact information, and importantly for our purposes, your language preferences. Now that you're in the Personal Info section, scroll through the options until you find Language. Click on it to access your current language settings. This is where Google stores your preferred language for all its services, including Google Chat, Gmail, and other Google products. You'll now see your current language displayed on the screen. Next to it, there should be a pencil icon, which is the universal symbol for editing. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon to begin modifying your language preference. This action will open up the language selection interface. A drop-down menu will now appear, showing you a comprehensive list of available languages. Scroll through this list and select the language you want to use in Google Chat. Google supports dozens of languages, so take your time to find the one that works best for you. Whether you're switching to your native language or trying to practice a new one, this setting will apply across all your Google services. After you've selected your preferred language from the drop-down, click the Save button to confirm your choice. Google will process this change and update your language settings accordingly. You may need to wait a moment while the system applies your new preference. And that's it, you've successfully changed the language in Google Chat. Your interface will now display in the language you selected, making it easier to navigate and communicate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.